and welcome back to my channel. My name is CorieTips. Today I am happy to do a full face makeup glam for you guys, and it is gonna be awesome. This is a full face glam and you can wear it any day, anytime. Well, don't mind me. So I just want to go into this so that we can all be happy creating this look together. Thank you for tuning in. I also enjoy you to please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and so that you can get the next beep when I post another video. I hope you love my previous videos. Thank you so much for always sticking by. Love you. So I'm going to be prepping my brow with my favorite pencil, Eversheen.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leaving behind with every step I take. Yeah. So come down, so coming down.
The foundation I used on my face is Maybelline foundation in 355 Coconut. I also used LA Girl concealer for my face as well. I already contoured with this as well, LA Girl concealer in Mahogany. And I used this powder, Milani powder, all over my face. I also used my Sasha Cosmetic powder to highlight my face. I used this Maybelline Java 375 to contour my face. So if you want to see how I apply my foundation or how I highlight and contour, it's in my previous videos, and please feel free to check it out. So my face was already prepped before we went into the brows. So I'll be using this palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. It is a palette that was discontinued, but I have it, so I might as well use it. It is called Blame Boss, and I absolutely love the colors inside. I love this plum color. I love this as well, and the other colors are also fantastic. So let's go into it. So first I'm going to be using this color. For the inner corner, that's inside my crease. Next, I'm going to be using this darker shade right here.
Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leaving behind with every step I take. Yeah. So now, so coming down.
And then I'm going to be using this brighter color. And then I'm going straight into this color.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah.
And I'm using my macro pencil in black.
Always waiting for the fall. So I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Breaks like a
And I'm using the plum color to fade out the black. I'm also going to use the brighter color. I'm using this LA color eyeliner for my eyes.
I gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leaving me hard with every step I take. Yeah. Cycle down. Was it coming down? Make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Next is this Zaron mascara.
Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive.
So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter in apricot. And I'm going to be applying some more powder. I'm using this blush by Classic Makeup. And I'm super excited to go into the lips. So I'm using this brown lip pencil by Me Now. It's really dark. The color is very dark. So I'm going to be using this nude lipstick by Jordana. It is a nude color. It is called Cinnamon Toast. Next is this nude lipstick by Milani. It is called Auti Brulant.
gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down.
I'm just going to darken this upper part more.
I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leave it behind with every step I take. Yeah. Cycle down, also coming down.
So now it is looking very balanced. So I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Victoria's Secret on top of it for shimmer.
Look my feet right in the eye. I just wanna
So this lipstick is really looking kind of nudie and dull. So I'm going to pop the color with this BH Cosmetics lipstick. Ooh, this color. Who doesn't want a lovely mist on their face? But this is a setting spray, not necessarily a mist, but it is a mist before it becomes a setting spray. More like it's gonna mist your face and then set it. Whew. Our look is ready, guys, and I am super excited. I have some bling bling on my shirt and wearing some big earrings, and I'm going to rock the streets. Don't mind me. I absolutely love this makeup. I hope you do as well. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Love you, and please do not forget to subscribe and leave some comments down below if you want me to create more looks and you love this one.